motorcycle oil change procedure. This can be applied to many kinds of motorcycles. First, warm up the engine. Now loosen the oil filler cap. Now put the pan underneath and loosen the oil drain bolt. Now you put the new gasket and tighten it with the specified torque. You may want to double check your service manual for that. Okay, so now the oil filter, it's in here. The new O-ring. Once again, tighten them with specified torque. Please double check your service manual. Now's the time to fill in the new oil. Okay, so the filler cap is back on. Now run the engine so the new oil will cycle through the engine, and then double check the oil level, which is here. You see a little window there, and then if it's good, between these lines, you're good. I hope you found this video beneficial. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.